up an assignment that says EL speech, okay? It just says EL speech. I'm going to go over it with you. This is what we're going to do right now to kind of wrap up this little section on effective language. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Come on. Okay, so we have been talking about using language more effectively. Normally what I would do is go into an after dinner speech, but I don't want to do that until second semester, okay? We don't really have time to plan it and prepare it yet. So to wrap up this unit this semester, we are going to do a very, very short speech. And I'm not sure if I'm even going to have you deliver them. It depends on what happens here, you know, with our time and so forth in the next few days, because we also have to review for your finals and everything. So my plan is to have you deliver them, but they're going to be very short, 4 to 6 paragraphs tops. Okay.
What?
That's short. That is short. When it comes, your other speeches, your outlines, if you were writing all of that out word for word, that'd be 6, 8, 10 paragraphs. Okay. It would be much longer. So this is very short. This is more like a short essay. All right. So what we're going to do is keeping in mind the ideas of using language more effectively, write a short speech, 4 to 6 paragraphs only. Go to your topics you're going to choose from, there are 6 of them. Go to page 283 in the online textbook to choose a topic from to write about, number 3 or number 4, or from related speech topics. It says, unlike our past speeches, write it out word for word, carefully choosing your words. Remember, the focus is on using language effectively. Okay? So it's all about word choice. So you're going to write out exactly word for word what you're going to. Some of you do that anyway with your speeches, but a lot of you do just the outline and talk from it, which is the best, you know, it's typically a good way to give a speech. It sounds more conversational. But for this, we want to look at a short, carefully crafted speech as far as word choice. Okay. So where's the book? All right. I had it open to that. Come on. Oh, that's not the right book. This one. Okay, here it is. I'm just going to pull this up on the board like this, because I already have it to it. And I'll tell you, whoops. Okay. So, like I said, on page 2 in the text online, there are some topics. Let me move this. All right. Not sure. No, I don't want to do that. I just want to do it this way. Okay. So, whoops. Here, that's what we want. All right, so we're going to look at these. So I said from this to write about number 3 or number 4. So here are 2 of your options. Number 3, write a description of how your day has gone so far. Use the following devices: personification, parallel structure, and simile or metaphor. Describe not only what has happened around you, but also what has happened inside you. Okay? Or write about a favorite song of yours. Why are the words to the song important to you? What do they mean? What are your favorite images in the song? What pictures does the song bring to mind? Be specific and give examples. Or what goes on in my first hour class? Or a day at my job, if you have a job. Or the best thing about a school dance. Or rush hour at my house before school. It's in quotation marks. Do you have a rush hour in the morning? Everybody getting ready? We did. I remember in the morning, because there were 5 kids in the house, and we ranged in age from 2 teenagers down to little kids, tiny toddlers, okay? And my mother, who worked she taught, she would lay in bed, and starting at about 6 o'clock in the morning, she would be directing us all in and out of tubs and showers, okay? I think she might get up and run bath water and tell one of my sisters to get in it, and then we'd hear her, Terrell, go take a shower, your sister's bath water's run. You know, she'd stick my sister Julie in the tub, and then she'd go crawl back in bed. Melissa, Terrell's out of the shower, go get in the shower. Jason, go get in the tub, your sister's out, you know. And then my youngest sister would end up in the tub, and it would just, and then mom would, and dad would be down fixing breakfast, and then we'd all eat breakfast, but it was kind of a rush getting out, and mom getting out the door too, okay? So that kind of thing. Is there some kind of rush hour in the morning? Are you sharing a bathroom with siblings or your parents or something like that, okay? Or why I enjoy the beach, or you could substitute why I enjoy the mountains or why I enjoy the streams, I don't know. If I only had 24 hours to live, the excitement of a sports event, the day I had to perform for an audience, my first day driving. How many of you have driven yet? Okay, Samantha, is that a good one? You could write about your first day driving? Yeah, okay. Equal opportunity in the professional world, slang, euphemism, sexism, racism. Okay, so you could write about any of those. I don't know, these might be a little more difficult, the slang, the euphemisms, maybe not, okay? So, you could write about any of these subjects, okay, but stick to these subjects. And you're just gonna write 4 to 6 words. Now, I think I have this due for Friday, or Monday, do I have it? I'll look, okay. What I have is the due date. Let's move this.
One of my first times driving, it was like in middle school.
Yeah.
My mother picked me up from practice from wrestling. And it was like at nighttime because like, it's like later in the year.
Okay.
And we were on the way, like, you know, Highway 8. We were on the way down like to my house. He pulled into like a driveway off to the side.
Yeah.
And he goes, get in the driver's seat. I was like, what? And so I got in the driver's seat, and there's cars going back both ways, and I had to back out onto the highway and then go home. That was like one of my first few times driving.
How did you do?
I didn't wreck, so I think I did pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, this is due Monday, guys. I made this due Monday, okay? So, any questions about what you need to do? This isn't, so I'm giving you specific topic choices. So, you know, just pick one of those. Be descriptive. Be efficient with your words. Remember, economy of words, tightening your sentences. Choose your words carefully, okay?
Yeah.
You have a question? Okay. Anybody on here have questions? No? No, you do not have to do an outline. Now, if you want to write down notes and plan it out, if that's how you work best with a, like a, right, because this is more like writing an essay, you're free to do that, but I'm not requiring you to, okay? No, Caesar, Addison just asked the same question. No, you do not have to turn in an outline